aware that many individuals, families, and their businesses have been driven to ruin and forced to shut down over government unpaid bills. We shall give priority to the expeditious resolution of our pending bills so that the government can meet its obligation and facilitate better economic performance. In the coming weeks, we shall advise government creditors on the mechanisms for the resolution of their outstanding payments. We are committed to ensuring that they are paid in the shortest time possible. Additionally, we urgently need to expand our tax base. Our job creation agenda and the capitalization of our SMEs will go a long way in broadening our tax bracket. We will make KRA more professional, efficient, responsive, and people-friendly. I urge taxpayers to respond by undertaking their patriotic duty and pay their taxes. In furtherance to this, oversight institutions such as the Auditor General and the Controller of Budget